Hi there! Hey, remember me? It's Peter. Then it's story time too. Then today we are going to listen to this story. Ta-da! Remember our friends Piggie and Elephant Turtle? We have a story here. A Big Guy Took My Ball by Mo Williams. Now get ready. So here we go. Right. You can see many big balls in this picture, right? Whose balls are those? Let's see. Gerald! Huh? I found a big ball. And it was so fun. And then a big guy came and he took my ball. I am so upset. Oh, Piggie got a broken heart right here. That is not good. That is not right. Big guys have all the fun. What about the little guys? What makes those big guys think they are so big? Their size. Well, I am big too. I will get your big ball from that big guy. Oh, my hero. Here I go. Let's see how big this big guy is. Huh? Oh no. This one is too big. Did you get my ball back? That is a big guy. You did not say how big he was. He is very big. He is bigger than I am, much bigger. I am smaller than he is, much smaller. He is so big, big. Gerald, you did not get my big ball back, did you? I did not. Excuse me. Thank you for finding my little ball. Oh, that is your ball, and you think it is little? Well, I am big. So big that no one will play with me. Oh, the big whale is sad. Little guys have all the fun. Oh, big guy, would you like to play whale ball with us? What is whale ball? We do not know. We have not made it up yet. Oh, you see, they are playing whale ball. With a little help, we can all have big fun. The end. All right, that is the end of the story. I hope you kind of enjoyed the story today. And now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.